Hi there, I want to show you an interesting tool that you can use to find domain names, or at least get ideas for domain names, and it's called Domainr.com, and I'll have the link to it in the resources section of this lecture.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
But basically the way it works is you type in anything and it will give you some ideas. For example, like make money, right? Makemoney.com, but let's see if you just make money, right? And it gives you all these interesting things, and you can see immediately whether they're available or not. On the right side here, you can see it says for sale, for sale, for sale, or it's parked, or if it's available, right? So obviously this would be a very competitive one, right? Maybe pets, something about pets. You know, you can basically see a lot of the possible things that are or like pet food, and it's gonna start giving you other ideas for it, right? And some interesting domain names that there are, and you know, again, petsfoods.co, that we would never, for example, know that even we should check that, right? Like maybe pet food is not available, but or even pets food, right? Is for sale, and then maybe we can try to buy that. So there's a lot of interesting, like pets food is not a great domain because pet food is a great domain, right? But at the same time, pets food is not the worst, so it's a possibility, and we would never know that because it's such a random thing, right? A lot of these domains that shows us are so random that we would never think of them, but this Domainr.com will give us these ideas, and we can check out, and maybe it will be interesting leads and ideas for further looking into other domains that are related. So this is a cool tool. Try it out when you are looking for domain names.